guys, it's me, and I'm back for a little bit of a layout share. This may be a two-parter, but at least for this first part, I wanted to show you some of the layouts that I completed at the crop that I attended at the end of October. So when I am using a collection or a purchased kit, I will make sure to know. Otherwise, please know that these are the kits that I put together from my own paper kits. So here's the very first one. It's a 2-pager. Most of these you could find on, if you're interested in the sketches, you could find them in my Pinterest board. I will try to make sure to have that linked in the description box. If you're interested, I have my sketches there by the number of pictures. Okay, so there's that one. This was for a sketch challenge at the crop. So I don't have that particular sketch, but you can kind of just take a look. Very, very simple layout. I have gone ahead and done all of the journaling on these, which is nice. This is from a Crop and Create delivered from the spring 2024 kit. So there's that. And then this is the companion page. This, which is full photos. So there's that one. This was also made with just one of my page kits. This is also from Pinterest. I took an opportunity to use some of my jelly roll pen there. Here's another one, just a page kit. No collection, no embellishments, just everything came in from my stash. There's that. I am going to count them at the end. I just haven't done it quite yet. All right, and I'm going to try to get this one in frame for you all. Let's see. I think that's pretty good. Here is this 2-pager. Very photo heavy. And again, this is just page kits. This is not non-collection. Everything else is from my stash. And this, my friends, the title is from these transfer titles. It's You Are My Sunshine. This is my oldest supply that I've used this weekend from 2005. So 19 years old. Sorry, and with that 2-pager comes this one. It's just a pocket page with some extra photos there and there. All right, this is a single layout. Got a couple of single layouts here. Also another just paper kit that I made. There's that one. This one is from a collection. This is 49 in Market, and this is Wherever, I believe. The only thing that's not from Wherever are these grease stickers and these stickers here in this kind of corner. So the alpha stickers and then this little tag. Everything else is 49 in Market. Oh, and I used this pocket for the first time, and I really like that. I definitely want to continue to use those. This is also from a paper kit that I made, and very simple. Again, just a 2-page, 2-photo layout. This is using a base page that I had previously created. This is using Garden Party, the Maggie Holmes. And I just embellished and obviously worked on my clusters and the photo. There's that one. This is also from a paper kit. But this one, I believe I ended up fussy cutting that, and then I just put everything else together. Not thrilled about the title, but I needed for it to kind of stick out a little bit more, so I did mat it on this flag here. And then I have that repeating throughout. So, yeah. Here is another one-page layout. 3 photos. This was using a kit? No, a sketch. I can't remember. This might have been for one of the sketch challenges, but I'm not 100% sure. I think it was just a sketch on Pinterest, if I remember correctly. I love that. Again, this is not anything from any collection. And I love how it just kind of, the title just worked, Hey, Sunshine. And then everything else is from my stash. And here's a companion pocket page with just some additional photos and some journaling as well. So that one goes with that one. This one is using a base page from spring, I believe, in Crop and Create Together. And try to get this on the screen here. And I don't think they were meant to be used like a 2-page spread, but that's how I'm using it because it's using the same collection. And so I have the one picture here, and then these are kind of some additional companion photos to that one for where we are. It's another single page layout. I just, I loved. This is one of the ones that unfortunately, I think it'll be fine once it gets in the page protector, but this one got a little bit warped. I think it got wet when I had my little crafty spill when I was at the crop. Oh, I gotta glue that down a little bit better. But I love these pictures. You'll see in the companion, I couldn't even draw out the pictures. These are just so beautiful. I was like, I don't even care if they're pictures of the same thing. And then, just some additional photos here. I didn't care. I was like, they're my photos. I don't want to throw them away. This is another, this one is using a scrapbook kit. Everything except for the enamel shapes, I believe, are from the collection. And then I kind of have this companion page that goes with it, and some additional journaling and some photos. And then I started work on another layout, but it was very photo heavy, just because this is a trip that my parents took and a couple of years ago. So I just matted all of these photos because these are going to be complementary to the layout that I'm going to do. So let me set the pocket pages kind of off to the side here, and then I can tell you about how many layouts and such. Okay. All right, so there are a total of 17 pages that I completed, 3 of which were base pages. There were a total of 14 pocket pages that I also created to complement some of these layouts, some which I have yet to finish. The layouts I still have to finish, but yeah, very productive, I think. I got a lot done. As I'm going to just put these away in a kind of organized way here because I separated out the pocket pages. I did go ahead and I signed up for, did I put that with the wrong? Oh no, that's right. My friends and I ended up signing up for another crop to attend with the same group, the ladies that hosted. So that should be a lot of fun. And I do still have, I think in the last video, I did show some of the kits that I still had left over. So those I will bring forth into my stash and will continue to continue playing with them. I think that will be fine. And then I will probably after the new year, I will kind of figure out and see where I am exactly in terms of kits and things, because the next retreat that I will be attending will be in the month of, it will be in the month of February. So at the beginning of February. So I'm going to want to make sure that I have at least, I would say at least another 17 or so kits that I can bring matched up with photos in whatever kind of state, whether they're travel, whether they are collections, whatever they may be. I just want to have enough to be able to pick from like I did this time. So I think having a range of up to 20 to be able to pick from, and then knowing I will have some left over is probably ideal. So I have some work cut out for me. I can have some downtime and play right now with just anything I may have left over, some base pages, that sort of thing. And then once the new year hits, guys, it's going to be on probably with some additional kit making if I don't maybe start even before that. Sometimes December can get a little dicey, a little crazy, but we're going to try to do our best here, and that's all we can do. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and just know, like, even if you're crafting at home, this is very much doable. Give yourself some time, create some kits, use your own stash. You saw me creating most of these page kits. I will have the link at the end of where you can see my playlist for kits and kit building. Those are a lot of fun. If you have any interest in those, I would welcome you to be part of my community, to watch some of those videos and play along with me. I want to thank you guys all for watching, and I hope that if you've caught this video, if you don't mind hitting the like and subscribe, I would love to have you back here. It will be more organization and kit making, and obviously layout shares. Until next time, guys, bye for now.